Good day and welcome to this video on career development. For this video, we are going to talk about the most critical document in your job search, the resume. We will learn what a resume is and the parts that make up a resume. We will also find out what ATS is and how it can prevent you from landing an interview with your potential employer. The word resume originates from French and it means summary. This is why it is pronounced the French way, resume, and not resume. A resume is a formal document that provides an overview of your professional qualifications. This includes your work experience, skills, education, and other notable accomplishments. A resume is designed to showcase an individual's skills and experience in a concise and professional manner. Usually paired with a cover letter, a resume helps you demonstrate your abilities and convince employers that you are qualified for the role. Crafting a winning resume, however, can be challenging. Our Resume Mastery Workshop is designed to provide you with the guidance and tools to create a resume that will make a lasting impression on potential employers. So, what is in a resume? A resume has different sections to it and is normally arranged in the following order: personal information, executive summary, work experience, educational qualifications, skill sets, and other sections such as languages, interests, and references. Whatever your resume format is, it is important to get your resume to look organized, uncluttered, and as professional looking as it can be. Resumes can include a professionally taken picture of yourself. While a picture is not compulsory, a well-taken one can bring across some personality for the employer to get a sense of what you are about. One common mistake that new job seekers make is using a self-taken picture with poor angle, dim lighting, and an unprofessional choice of dressing. A selfie should not be used for a resume picture. Here at PSB Academy, we have a resume builder that students and graduates can make use of in our career portal. Do make use of this feature that we have made available for you to get started in your job search. The other parts of a resume will be covered in detail in our full workshop. We look forward to seeing you there. Next, we look at what ATS is. The Applicant Tracking System is a software tool that many employers use for filtering through the numerous resumes and applications they receive. What this does is that your resume is scored by the AI on a scale of 0 to 100%. Resumes which score low are discarded and not even viewed by the employer. All the hours you have spent only to have your resume dumped by the AI. The employer has not even had a look at your resume. In order to beat this, we need to understand how ATS works. Essentially, the program picks out keywords in your resume and scores them against the job description, giving you a resume score. The more keywords in your resume that tallies with the job description, the higher the score. For a resume with little or no keywords that relate to the job description, the resume scores lowly and will be discarded. It is therefore important to make sure your resume is able to navigate past the ATS and makes its way to the eyes of the employer. This is where we need to make use of the carefully worded job descriptions that employers put out. You can see from the slide a sample job description which we will use for this example. The red boxes are the highlighted keywords which you should be referring to. Make use of these keywords when you key in your work experience. When describing your work experience, use as many of the keywords highlighted as often as possible. This aligns your experience with the employer's requirements, ensuring that you, the candidate, tick all the right boxes and are as close a fit as possible to the ideal candidate that they are looking for. Doing so gives your resume a higher score, therefore shortlisting you for an interview. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this video and found it useful. For a more in-depth and detailed coverage, do join us in our workshops. Feel free to reach out to us at Career Services. Thank you and all the best in your job search.